Brian back here with another Kaspa update. I apologize if you can hear the rain in the background. I do my videos out in my garage in my little office area. Well, I have a tin roof on here, and like I said, I apologize if you can hear that, but I wanted to get a video out today. We have some price action here, some movement, and I want to talk about that because there's a chance that this thing could break up and we could be setting a new all-time high here. Very good chance of that. So let's get into this, guys. First off, I want to go over to the Block Explorer. 51 petahash, looking fantastic. We've talked about that. All right, let's go over to the addresses real fast. All right, let's take a look here. And the reason I haven't put videos out in a couple of days, we haven't had any price action, so nothing really to talk about. I don't want to bore you guys when you watch a video. I want you to get the most out of it that you can here. So 237, almost 238 active addresses with at least one Kaspa. That's pretty impressive. That's 250,000 people out there hold this token or coin, so that's pretty awesome. Last 30 days, you can see people have been stacking. All right, stacking this up. Of course, we know that. I mean, you guys that have been here, you know what we're talking about. It's good to see. Want to see more people coming in, and we're seeing a lot of green. All right. Last 30 days, the octopus plus 4.8, the fish plus 6.3. Look at the dolphins plus 11.1, plus 7.5 for the sharks, and plus 3.1 for whales. The humpbacks, we had two of them. They just went down to whales, I'm sure. Taking some profits, man. That's what it's all about, making money. All right, so let's move on here. Anything down through here we're gonna look at this again in a couple weeks. Like I took that snapshot, and I'm sure you guys that have been here remember that. We're gonna take a look and see if these bigger wallets have been stacking or taking some profits here. But I got a really good article for you guys. Kaspa bounces back after a recent dip. Is Kaspa poised to achieve a new all-time high? And you're going to recognize a lot of stuff in here that we've been talking about. Kaspa is in a bullish trend, increasing by 16% from its October low, retesting the new all-time high could lead to a breakout above. Two scenarios at play, with bullish one taking the lead. After reaching an all-time high of 5 cents on August 7th, the Kaspa token experienced a dip, dropping to 0.033 on September 5th, making a 35% decline. This decline marked the onset of another upward trend, propelling the price back to its previous all-time high on September 20th and subsequently on October 6th, following a minor retracement to 0.041 on October 11th. All right, they're talking 0.041, that's right down here. Okay, right here. Alright, let's go back to this article. A rebound has set the price back on an upward trajectory. With these positive movements, the question arises, could we witness it breaking the 5 cent barrier and establishing a new all-time high? In our prior assessment of the token on September 18th, we projected a potential correction likely unfolding in the ABC pattern. We have just been pounding that, all right through here. We talked about this, and we nailed this. This was the A, B, C, all right, and we nailed that. We went for, you know, the right here down to that high right there. That gave us our low in here. Remember, we measured that out. You people that have been here, you know that these ABCs, we have nailed them almost every single time, except, and I'll never forget this one right here. All right, this ended up being an ABC, but I believe price action, look at this. There's a 50% retracement. We pulled it down on top. All right, this thing should have pulled down here, 0.031, pulled down to, well, 0.032. All right, we missed that. I don't know how, but ended up missing that by 3%. So I apologize about that. You cannot nail the moves every single time, but this was an ABC with the C leg pulling up a little short. All right, but anyway, we nailed this ABC in here. Let's go back to this article. the ABC pattern. That's what they were talking about. The downward trajectory found its target at 0.038. Now, our target down here was 0.04, which we hit. They're using I use MEC-C chart. They're obviously using a different chart here, aligning with the 618 Fibonacci. All right, 618 Fib. We nailed the 618 Fib right on the dot right here. There it is, the blue line right there. That's the 618. You can see how we nailed it and it bounced. All right. An analysis of the hourly chart revealed an RSI reading of 72, indicating that the asset was approaching an overbought condition. Additionally, according to wave analysis, the uptrend observed until September 5th seemed to have peaked, and the current movement appeared corrective in nature, signaling the possibility of an impending downturn. That's what we just went over, the ABC. That was our downturn. All right. We observed a descending move, albeit with variation in the expected correction. Rather than a sharp downturn, it transpired on a sideways drift. That's why I've not put out videos the last few days. Right through here. This has been nothing, and this is on the 8 hour. If I go on a daily, right, look at this. It just went sideways in there. Nothing to talk about. I didn't want to bore you guys. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 a week of just going sideways in here. All right, that's what they're talking about right here. A sideways drift. The previous uptrend leading to the all-time high concluded with a 5-wave impulse, and the subsequent rise from September 7th seemed to mark the initiation of the next phase. All right, we talked about that. The 5 waves up over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then your ABC correction. Now are we starting another 5 waves up here? In the former scenario, a more pronounced price decline would have been anticipated, making the later scenario more credible at this juncture. In alignment with this perspective, the price may embark on its wave 3 or a higher degree movement, with the potential for a robust advance towards the 7-cent range and subsequently 0.0822 should it form another 5-wave impulse from September 5th. Now they're talking about a 3rd wave right here. This guy is right on with my analysis. All right, absolutely perfect. That's why I had to read that article. This guy sees exactly what I see going on, or girl, whatever is going on, but I see it may possibly a 1, 2, a 3rd wave right here. Okay, then your 4th wave pullback, and then a 5th wave up. That very well could be happening in here. All right, usually after you have, let's get this off here, clean this chart up a minute. Usually after this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, then you have your corrective move, A, B, C. All right, then you should continue on your former trend. 1, 2, 3, 4, wherever that goes. I'm just throwing that up there. But it should start another 5-wave up after that, all right? So, we're going to dig into the rest of this in a second. Here's the crypto bubbles. It's for the month. Jeez, I really apologize about the rain if you guys can hear it. I'm so sorry. I'm going to hurry up here. Kaspa's up 5.9%. We made it back over the billion mark. 17 million in volume. But volume is picking up. All right, so let's take a look at this chart. We got the daily RSI heading back up. It curved down. It turned back up. The 12-hour heading back up. The 8 heading back up. And the 4, of course, still heading up. All right, so let's take a look at this thing. We're going to put a fib on here because we have broken some levels here. Look at this. Now remember when I showed you guys gold. All right, let me show you that chart real quick. Boy, I hope this rain just holds up. 2 more minutes. And please hit the like and subscribe, guys, if you haven't already. I appreciate that. It helps me out a ton. Let's put this fib on here. I wanted to show you guys what happens after you break through them levels. This one here was the last level, the 786. Then you got this push from gold. I've been calling for an all-time high in this. We nailed the ABC right to the dollar on gold. We broke this upper resistance, and this thing is just ripping. All right, that's what I'm kind of looking at for Kaspa here. It has broke that last, well, it reached right up to, look how it hit that 786, and it's pushing for a run up here. Now, where would the target be if it breaks it? Right up here, 0.057. All right, that would be your first target. The next target is up at 0.068. All right, so keep an eye on this level right here. This is the next one, 0.049. Call it 0.0494. We bust through that, and I believe we're heading for a new all-time high. All right, thank you so much, guys. I will be back with you tomorrow, and I apologize for the rain. Have a great day, everybody. I love you guys. I wanted to throw a big shout-out to the members. You guys, thank you so much. Falconeer, William, you can read that one. Cuz, Jay, Benji, Albie, Marty, William, John, Noted Trader, Franny, Ryan, Lib, Baja, Trapper, a Blackman, Jason, and Butte. Thank you so very, very much. You guys have really hung in there. I appreciate it. Not just a 1 month membership. You guys have been hanging in there. Thank you so very, very much. And if you haven't yet, them trading classes are still $14.99, man. It's well worth it, guys. 7 hours worth of videos, all right, for $15. And even a regular membership at 99 cents helps me out a ton. So have a great day, everybody. I love you guys. I'll talk to you soon.